Welcome to Section 6, Migrating Data into AWS Databases. AWS Database Migration Service is also known as AWS DMS. You can use DMS to migrate or replicate existing databases to Amazon RDS. It supports migration between the most widely used databases. DMS also supports migrations between databases that use the same engine. This is known as homogeneous migrations. It also supports migrations between databases that use different engines. This is known as heterogeneous migrations. The first example is a homogeneous migration, where an on-premises Oracle database is migrated to an Amazon RDS for Oracle database. The second example shows a heterogeneous migration, where a MySQL database that runs on an EC2 instance is migrated to Amazon Aurora. You can use AWS DMS to perform one-time migrations, but you can also use it for continuous data replication between two databases. For example, you can use DMS to configure continuous data replication of an on-premises database to an RDS instance. If you must perform a heterogeneous migration from one database engine to another, you can use the AWS Schema Conversion Tool, or AWS SCT. A typical one-time migration involves the following major steps: create a target database, migrate the database schema, set up the database replication process, initiate the data transfer, and confirm completion. And finally, switch production to the new database. Larger data migrations can include many terabytes of information. This process can be difficult because of network bandwidth limits or the amount of data. AWS DMS can use AWS Snowball Edge and Amazon S3 to migrate large databases more quickly than other methods. AWS Snowball Edge provides a piece of hardware known as an edge device. You use this device to transfer data to the cloud, faster than you could over the network. The edge device is owned by AWS. AWS sends you the edge device, you write your data to it, and then you send it back to AWS. The edge device provides large amounts of onboard storage, encrypts your data, and ensures both security and full chain of custody for your data. To migrate data with AWS Snowball Edge, use AWS SCT to extract the data locally and move it to the edge device, then ship the device back to AWS. After AWS receives the edge device, AWS automatically loads the data into an S3 bucket. DMS migrates the data from the S3 bucket to the target database. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next